Hello fellow food lovers. Today I will be making a cheesy tofu bake. You will need 2 blocks of firm tofu, tomato sauce, shredded cheese, and salt. So I got 2 blocks of extra firm tofu. I'm just going to cut them into cubes. So this is a nice, easy vegan dish. Oh, sorry, this is a Lacto Ovo Vegetarian dish because it's got cheese in it. But it's a nice, easy dish to make. You can eat this with rice, definitely. So I cut 1 block up. And I'm going to cut the other block up as well. So that second block's cut up. So I'm going to season it with some salt. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it. I'm going to add some tomato sauce. So for the 2 blocks of tofu, I'm probably going to add about 8 tablespoons of tomato sauce in there. So I'm going to get a spoon. I'm going to mix it all up. Once it's mixed up, I'm going to put it into a baking pan. So this is a glass Pyrex pie plate. I'm going to put some shredded cheese over that. So that's about 200 grams of shredded cheese. So that's mozzarella cheese, but you can use cheddar as well. So yeah, 200 grams of shredded cheese. Okay, so once it's kind of spread over the top of the tofu, I'm going to put it into a preheated oven. So that's set at 375 degrees. So I baked it for about 20 minutes. Yeah, so it was set to bake for 375 degrees, and it was preheated, and I put it in there and I baked it for about 20 minutes. But you can watch and just see that it doesn't burn, so you want to check every once in a while. I had it on the very top rack, and it was the bottom element that was on for the baking. But you could bake it for about 20 minutes, but you want to check once in a while. Look in there to see that it's not burning or anything. And if you can see the tomato sauce bubbling, then it's pretty much heated through. So you just have to wait for the cheese to melt, and then it's all good to go. Okay, so that's cheesy tofu bake. You can eat this with rice, or you can eat this with pasta. You know, put this on spaghetti or something. Okay, bon appetit.